Type definitions in the ABAP dictionary. Different type categories in the ABAP dictionary are as follows. Data elements. Data elements describe an elementary type by defining the data type, length, and decimal places. Structures. Structures consist of components that can have any type. Table types. Table types describe the structure of an internal table. For example, the data for an employee is stored in a structure called employee with name, address, and telephone as its components. The component name is also a structure, with first name and last name as its components. The first name and last name components are elementary, since the type is defined by a data element. The type of component address is a structure, whose components are also structures. A table type is used to define the telephone component because an employee can have more than one telephone number. Types are used in ABAP programs at various places, for example to define the types of interface parameters of function modules.